Hey, adrenaline junkies. Welcome to KM Top Crazy, where the thrill never stops. Brace yourself for heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most electrifying moments ever caught on camera. If you crave the ultimate rush, you're in the right place. Let's get the heart racing. The camera captures the most daring moment of this motorcyclist right in front of a police car. It looks like he's lucky the police didn't chase him. What is it like to pop a wheelie and challenge the police? This video will show you. I need a car like that. Did he really think he could escape the police using only his two rear wheels? Did they really think they could hide from the police in a cornfield? I don't think that's going to work. I need to know what material the windows of this vehicle are made of.
She's still trying to go, look.
Stop the car!
Hey,
Stop the car!
I'm gonna go look at that shoe. Oh, she cooked. Holy shit. Yo, Johnny going crazy. Bro.
New York City police officers engaged in a high-speed chase that quickly escalated into a dangerous confrontation. As soon as the suspect's vehicle came to a stop, officers opened fire on the car. While details of the pursuit remain unclear, it is evident that the suspect faced severe consequences. Body cam footage captures the intense moment officers chase down and apprehend the suspect right in the middle of a residential neighborhood.
Stop, Evan. your hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
On June 15th, 2023, police attempted to stop a stolen vehicle, but were met with an unexpected crash.
You good, bro? You good, bro? Bro, you good? You good?
There have been no updates on the two suspects inside the car. The injured officer was hospitalized but was discharged 2 weeks later. Dashcam footage captured Fuel, a suspect wanted for 2 serious charges, exiting the highway at Wheatland Road and opening fire on officers as he stepped out of his vehicle.
Shots fired, shots fired.
It remains unclear which officer returned fire, but Fuel was critically injured and immediately transported to the hospital. Both officers involved in the shooting were placed on administrative leave, per department policy. On February 1st, 2025, police were pursuing 22-year-old Johnny Bartholomew, suspected of involvement in an armed robbery. The chase seemed routine until he opened fire, striking a patrol car.
Westbound Cottonwood, around that curve.
I got me.
Just shot out of the car. So we got shots fired from the car. Yep, we got multiple shots fired. Westbound LC, coming up to, we're going to be 3 Elder Creek TC. Actually made it around it. He's going to be opposing. Officers are right way. He's going to be back right way. Southbound tower in, passing 48.
And 69.
Recognizing the danger, officers called for backup. As soon as the suspect's vehicle was stopped, a gunfight erupted. Bartholomew was injured and required immediate medical attention, while his female passenger was unharmed. Fortunately, no officers were injured in the incident. I may sound indifferent, but I feel no sympathy or pity for the driver in this video. Her level of recklessness shows a complete disregard for others and a willingness to endanger anyone on the road. The speeding vehicle was ordered to stop by Arkansas police, but the female driver refused. She kept accelerating, making the situation even more dangerous. At one point during a left turn, a rear passenger was thrown onto the road, yet she continued speeding forward. Moments later, as the car slowed down, another passenger tried to escape, but she accelerated again, causing them to fall onto the pavement.
Church parking lot back there, church parking lot.
Realizing she had no intention of stopping, officers decided to intervene. Her vehicle was forced off the road, coming to a stop near a large tree. It was later revealed that she had consumed a significant amount of alcohol, and when officers arrested her, she was far from sober. The vehicle driven by Dale Brookerson quickly caught the attention of the police. When he stopped at an intersection, officers noticed his erratic behavior, suspecting he was under the influence of a substance.
Still continue north, up. Still north down there, 430 mile per hour. 40. Show me your hands!
Driving under the influence is never acceptable. Those who do put everyone at risk, turning the road into a danger zone. And for his reckless choices, Dale Brookerson had to face the consequences. Police spotted a pickup truck moving erratically, swerving, circling, and drifting into other lanes without signaling.
Unsuccessful, don't try again. He's going on the curve on Ray Street. TVI, TVI, TVI. Hands! Newport, he's back on the road, gonna try again. He's bound on race. TVI, 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 TVI. Stop! 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 Hands! Hands right now! Hands! Hands right now! Get on the ground!
When officers stopped the vehicle, they found an elderly woman lying in the front seat. Trooper Cody Brown quickly called for an ambulance, but after an examination, it appeared she wasn't injured, just heavily intoxicated. The driver was also given a breathalyzer test, confirming that he had been driving under the influence.
I'm this way. Have a seat. Yeah, no problem, you want. No. I understand it. You got it, ma'am. Okay.
He was almost there with her.
He's also under the influence of alcohol.
He was getting
Camera started back over.
Thank you.
826, exit of 12, from behind station.
On August 1st, 2024, the Broward County Sheriff spotted a stolen black GMC Denali near the Golden Glades interchange.
From 12.
826, he's on 12, is he on first, and is he on 10?
Behind us, 47 Bravo, Zulu, Romeo, Quebec. We're going to be eastbound. 23. signal for the vehicle right now. Like, he's going 12 whiskey. We're now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we got to roll over.
The chase lasted only a few minutes before the GMC crashed into 3 vehicles and a box truck, causing the truck to overturn. Authorities arrested Giannino, charging him with multiple offenses, including fleeing and eluding causing injury, grand theft auto, leaving the scene of a crash, and driving with a suspended license.
Speed of 75.
On August 30th, 2021, undercover U.S. Marshals pursued a murder suspect identified as 32-year-old Kamari Kennedy. Driving a pickup truck and unarmed, he was considered extremely dangerous.
All right, now he's driving. Okay, stand by. Through the light at Rut Gate, and he's driving into the oncoming lane. Stand by.
As soon as officers spotted the vehicle, they activated their lights and sirens, but Kennedy refused to stop. He knew that surrendering meant facing serious charges.
All right, looks like he's going to go through the red light. Stand by. We're in the flipper. Hang on, we're in the flipper. Looks like we're going to go eastbound, everybody. Eastbound. Stop. He's in the oncoming lanes, guys. Oncoming lanes.
Sorry, oncoming lane. Copy that. So south on Garfield, approaching Fraser, approaching 15.
Stand by, dispatch. All right, we're through 15.
Copy that.
All right. Dispatch, southbound Utica coming up to Masonic. He is now driving down the sidewalk.
Driving on the sidewalk with southbound Utica and Masonic.
The truck swerved recklessly, as if daring both police and bystanders.
Take him out, he's getting pretty. Going through the Marathon gas station by the Jimmy John's.
Through the grass by Jimmy John's.
Alright guys, we got open roadway dispatch, open roadway, let's take him out.
Copy that, open roadway, time for you to take out.
She's lying right up there with him, we're gonna take him out.
Alright, go ahead.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Wanted for murder in North Dakota, Kennedy and his passenger were eventually taken into custody without injury. A deputy sustained minor injuries and was transported to the hospital for treatment. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.